Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make ranch dressing. Start with the core components for a creamy base. You'll need 1/2 cup of buttermilk, 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, and 1/2 cup of sour cream. These 3 ingredients create the perfect texture and tang. Next, we'll add the fresh herbs and spices to really bring out that classic ranch taste. Now, let's infuse our dressing with incredible flavor. You'll want to finely chop 1 tablespoon each of fresh parsley, chives, and dill. These fresh herbs are key to authentic ranch. Then, mix in 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. It's time to bring everything together. In a medium bowl, combine your buttermilk, mayonnaise, and sour cream with all the chopped herbs and dry spices. Whisk thoroughly until the mixture is completely smooth and uniform. For the best flavor, cover the bowl and refrigerate the dressing for at least 30 minutes. This chilling time allows the flavors to deepen and meld beautifully. Your delicious homemade ranch dressing is now ready to enjoy. It's perfect as a salad dressing, a dip for fresh vegetables, or even with chicken wings. To keep it fresh, store any unused dressing in an airtight container in the refrigerator. It will maintain its quality for about 5 to 7 days, so you can savor that amazing flavor all week long.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.